Hi everyone. Today, we'll show you how to use global search on Telegram. If you want to quickly find chats, channels, groups, or messages across the platform, this tutorial is for you. To get started, all we need to do is click the search bar at the top of the screen. Once we click that, we simply type in the keyword we want to search for. For example, if we type total, we'll see the results appear right away. Looking at the results, we'll notice a global search section. To see more from the global search, all we need to do is click Show More. This will display additional global search results. From there, we can choose which result to open or which group to join by clicking on the channel we want. Using global search helps us find people, public channels, bots, groups, and specific messages quickly and easily. We can search with keywords and browse through the results to save time on Telegram. And that's it. We now know how to use global search on Telegram.